channel, Samira, Youssef. Hello! Shout out to all. Shout out po, Team Angels. Team background. Ayan, shout out po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dito sa YT. Ayan, guys. And, sorry for, medyo noisy dito sa amin kasi yung kapitbahay ko nagpapagawa ng bahay. So, pasensyahan nyo po ako, guys. Kasi maingay talaga dito. Buti na nga lang yung mga aso dito ngayon na nanahimik. Baka natutulog sila sa mga oras na to. And, ayan guys. And in today's video, we're going to have, paano ko sabihin to guys. Guys, kasi may naka-receive po ako ng, ayan, mystery package. Ano bang tawag dito? Mystery package from Lazada. Ayan guys, ito siya guys. Ito po. This is my first time to receive something like this. Ayan, nakalagay yung pangalan ko. Pero yung wala nakalagay kung sino ang nagpadala guys. So, tingnan natin kung ano po yung laman. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong laman nito eh. So, tingnan natin kung malalaman natin kung may sulat ba sa loob, kung kanino galing. Wala nakalagay dito guys kung kanino sender, who's the sender. And let's see what's inside of this package. Let's open it. I'm very excited guys. I don't know what it is. What's inside. Naalala ko na ganito si Sayumi. Si Sayumi guys. What is this? type light, flashlight guys. How do we open this? Sorry guys, ang ingay kasi dito. I wish I can have a soundproof to my house so that I can hear anything from the outside. Ito guys, type light flashlight plus. Hindi ko alam to guys. I don't have idea about this. Type light flashlight. Ayan. Tingnan natin guys kung anong meron dito. This is the first time I have received something like this. So, I'm gonna read this one later. Ayan guys, this is the flashlight. Tingnan natin kung magliliwanag yung buhay natin dito sa flashlight na to guys. This is a flashlight. Let us see if we'll give lights to my life. Ito may bahayan pa guys. Oh. Kakaalis ko pa naman dito. Pupunta ako doon sa sister ko. Tapos kabababa ko lang ng tricycle. 50 pesos pa naman binayad ko. Pagkababa ko guys. Tumawag na ito si ng Lazada. Ay, ito. Ganito pala. And then, may bahayan siya guys. Oh. Kaya nito? Meron siyang rechargeable flashlight. Ano naman kulit mo dito? Tapos meron ditong on and off. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ang sunod dito, you light lights. The highest brightness can reach 150 lm. Ewan ko guys, hindi ko ako naintindihan ito. Built-in charger. Ayun, built-in charger daw. Easy to carry. Product appearance distinctive. Beautifully designed. Ano yun? Jungway ba yung basa dito? Jungway Aviation Aluminum Qualitative Rigid Oxidation. Ayan guys, wala akong naintindihan. Aray ko. Yun guys, basta hindi ko siya naintindihan guys. Yan guys, meron ditong drawing kung ano yung mga tawag-tawag nakalagay dito. Ayan, light flashlight. Ito, light flashlight. And then, shock needle. Bakit may shock needle to? Shock needle daw. Ano yun? Shock needle. Nakaturo dito. Nakaturo dito sa loob. Ha? Saan yung needle? Ay, baka ito. Shock needle. Guys, bakit may needle to? Ito. Baka ito. Lighting switch. Ang lighting switch. Where is it? Lighting switch. Ito siguro. Maybe this one. Lighting switch. Ito. Shock switch. Bakit may shock? Shock switch. Ito siguro. Baka ito. Alam, may mga shock. Ay, ano ba yun? Shock daw. Pero guys, hindi ko talaga naintindihan to. Upward lighting. Down shock prepare switch. Ewan. Wala bang Tagalog nito, Lazada? Dear Lazada, wala po bang Tagalog translation nito? Kasi yung nagbabasa po, hindi po nakaintindi na English eh. Built-in charger. Yun, sa wakas, isa lang naintindihan ko. Ito, dito sa charger. Yung ginamit ko kanina, ito daw charger. Maliit din siya, no? Kaya hindi ko talaga naintindihan yung shock na yun. May shock dito. Aywan, shock needle. Tapos, shock switch. May shock switch daw at saka ano. Aywan, lighting switch and shock switch. I don't know the difference of this. Upward lighting, down shock, prepare response. Guys, hindi ko talaga naintindihan to guys. Pero masaya naman ako guys kasi nakatanggap nga ako ng gift. I have received a gift like this. Happy ako but I didn't know how to use this. What's the function? Introduction of light flashlight electronic riot implement. Puro English kasi guys eh. Adapt high frequency oscillating circuit, improve output current, large capacity, the output energy of DC discharge using flashlight light both bright and lighting time long. Using built-in charger, easy to carry, product appearance distinctive, beautifully designed. This home go out self-defense. Oh, self-defense ideal products. Oh, self-defense daw to guys. Ayan guys, hindi ko talaga naintindihan to. Light flashlight. Electronic light implement use method. Use before use the necessary product configuration built-in charger for charging. Charging time 10 to 12 hours. Oh! Ang tagal naman ito. Charging methods. Charging the power cord end. One English kasi to. Into the built-in charger interface. Another end insert 220 volts power. Diyos ko, baka humabog pa ito dito sa bahay ko. Diyos ko po. Can charge charge indicator. Promote upward, namely turn the switch. Guys, sa mga sana may Tagalog translation dito, guys. Mukhang seryoso na ako dito kasi English speaking dito. My God, you'll turn the switch down, lighting, push the button, press the shock switch, can be used electric shock. Diyos ko, bakit ito may mga shock? Cannot be used when lighting. Cannot be used when lighting. Ano ibig sabihin ito? Light flashlight. Parameters. Implement technical parameters. Input voltage 4.8 VDC. Output voltage above 1000 kV. One. Size 165 mm by head diameter long 35 mm. Tube body diameter rounded on 28 mm. Current consumption 2.5. Weight 180 grams. Guys, totoo lang guys, wala po akong naintindihan. Guys, wala pa akong naintindihan dito guys. Bahala na po kayo. Basta sinabi ko naman talaga yung English, yung nakasulat dito. So, yun nga lang po. Hindi ko talaga siya naintindihan. And this is my first time to have this kind of flashlight. It's like a it's a magic from this flashlight. May mga shock eh. May mga shock, may mga ewan. Ano ba to? Chargeable. Cannot use when lighting. Ewan, hindi ko talaga po alam guys. Ayan. And guys, kung may idea po kayo on how to use this, you can comment down below and I'm gonna wait for your comment guys on how to use this. Oh, Diyos ko, nosebleed ako dito guys. Nosebleed. With this I hope may English translation guys, no? Ayan guys, thank you for watching. I love you all guys. Thank you. Ayun pa, dadalhin ko na sa sister ko guys.